Who's that? Who is she? Who is this woman? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, I noticed a different look. In today's video, I'm giving you asymmetrical bob slash Aaliyah sassy lady named Cindy vibes. This is a very new different look for me. I was asking you guys what is the next look you guys want to see from me. And you guys said something straight, so here's something straight. You know, I used to just throw on away before, but now I like not taking it seriously, but I just want it to look more seamless and more realistic and just trying to up my game a little bit more. So this lady here is actually very kinky, so it's quite textured, but in the video you're gonna see me flat iron it out and transforming it into a more sleek look. I do like the kinkier units because I feel like the pin straight textures lay a bit too flat for my personal liking, so the ones that are kinkier still have some body, some movement. It's not gonna look so stiff or flat. It still has some volume to it, which I think goes with my look more because, you know, I have natural hair. It's not that relaxed, like it has some volume, some texture, some personality to it. So I don't think I have much more to say. I have done another video using HerGivenHair a week ago, the Lucy curly one. If you have not seen that one, just click right here. I just want to show you different textures and how you can really transform your look depending on the wig. So I just thought, yeah, I think if you want to see how I accomplished this look, just keep watching.
So the bossy bob wig came in this really nice box, but as soon as I took it out, I realized that I needed to flat iron it. It needed some love. So I placed it on my mannequin head and I just flat ironed the whole thing. Even though the hair is pretty kinky, I like that it's still really soft, and because it's real hair, of course, I was just sure to use a heat protectant as I flat ironed. Okay, so this was a wig when I finished flat ironing it out, and I love how nice and smooth and silky it was. Then I put that bad boy on and got to work. So again, I'm using the Got To Be Free Spray. This product has its pros and cons. I'll go through this as the video goes by. But I'm just applying that right in front of my hairline. And I find it easier to do it section by section, so I'm not like all over the place with the hairline. I just smooth it down with my rat tail comb and then put my blow dryer on the cool setting just to set it. After that, I cut some slits in the lace because it's easier to get up underneath it as opposed to just moving the whole lace over. And again, repeat the same steps across the hairline. Free spray, rat tail, blow dryer. Easy. So this part, guys, I accidentally forgot to show when I was cutting off the excess lace. And this is also the part that made me go insane. So when I was cutting it off, I was lifting the lace like too high up because I couldn't really see properly. So that in turn caused it not to be as secure again. So I had to go back with the free spray. And it was at this very moment I was contemplating all of my life decisions. So a tip for you would be to be very gentle when you're cutting the lace. Also, apply your makeup after you do your free spray because it's just gonna ruin everything. You live and you learn. Next, I just cut some layers into the front part of the hair just so it didn't look as blunt at the front. And then to help melt the lace into my hairline, I tied a scarf around it for about 5 minutes. And then I went over some pieces just to smooth back down the hair. And then when I removed the scarf, I was pretty happy. I just had to comb out the front a little bit because it got a little bit crusty. But the comb fixed all of that. But after I combed it out, that was about it. I wore this wig for about 3 days max from what I remember. And during that period of time, I just touched it up, like the ends and the root. But it was so low maintenance. I just sat with a bonnet and it kept really well, I must say. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video and continue to support me. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting me know what you think about this wig. And by now you should know the drill. Let me know what's the next hairstyle you want to see me in. Until next time, thank you again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!